Awesome viewers and subscribers near and far, welcome back to my kitchen. Guys, this morning I am going to share a quick recipe with you guys, and this recipe is called okra punch. Why I'm making this okra punch? Because this okra punch is very good for building up your body. And you know, we work really hard, and sometimes we don't take the time out to take care of our body, and then we feel really tired and run down. So this okra punch is ideal for building up your body. So guys, let's get started. So over here is my okra. I boil my okra for about 5 minutes, then I leave them to cool, and then I'm going to pop them straight into my blender. And then over here is my supplement, and it's vanilla flavor. Guys, you can use supplement of your own choice. That's entirely up to you. But I like vanilla flavor, so I'm using vanilla. I'm just going to give it a good shake. And I'll be using some Mackinson stout. You can also use Guinness. You can also use Dragon stout, but I'm using Mackinson stout. The choice is yours. And you can also order these online, or you can get them to buy from your local shop. And I'm also using a small amount of condensed milk because I don't like it too sweet. Just enough to bring the flavor out. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Guys, trust me, this okra punch will fill you up with long-lasting energy. Guys, I'm just gonna add some spice in this punch, spice it up a bit, and to bring the flavor out. So I'm using ground nutmeg, and I'm just putting a small amount. I'm also using ground cinnamon. I'm also using some vanilla. I'm also using some mixed spice. You don't need a lot, guys, you just need a small amount. And guys, I've got some whole nutmegs here. So if you don't want to use the grater, the one already made, you can use the whole nutmeg, but you'll have to grate this nutmeg. It's entirely up to you. So guys, I'm gonna add some ice straight in, and then let's get blending. Guys, the weather is really nice outside. It's a really nice day today. So I'm gonna relax in my garden and I'm gonna enjoy some of this lovely mouth-watering okra punch. So let's get guys, my okra punch is all ready. Look at it, guys. Look really rich and healthy. This is a meal straight here. You know, you can have it as a supplement. This is a meal straight here. So I am just gonna pour it now over ice and have a taste. Guys, if you want, you can pour it over ice, or you can also leave it to chill on your fridge. The choice is yours. I am going to pour mine over ice. Wow. Oh my good gracious me. Guys, when you're making this sponge, do not add a lot of okra. You just need at least 6 small okra. And again, you don't have to boil the okra. You can eat it raw, use it raw, because some people eat raw okra. But I prefer to boil my okra, but I only boil my okra for 5 minutes. You don't need no longer than 5 minutes. 5 minutes is okay. You know, but like I said, it's entirely up to you. Whichever way you preferred it, the choice is yours. So I am going to have a taste, guys, and then I'll tell you guys what I think about this okra punch. Wow. It's real. As you can see, guys, look at it. All my ingredients blend out, combine together very well, and believe you me, this is what you call strong body punch. So guys, you can make this punch for your husband, your boyfriend, your fiancé, if you have one, and if you don't, you can make this punch for yourself. Below body punch. Wow, nice one. So guys, if you enjoy this, guys, if you like this video, please give it a couple thumbs up, like and share this video with your family and friends, and please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Peace. I'm out.